glad to see you in my kitchen again. So I guess everyone like to eat sweets, but after sweets everyone gets fat. I'm not super fit, but I eat quite a lot of fruits, I would say, the berries, so basically level of sugar is quite high. So probably everyone like ice cream. What about the ice cream? Something you can eat and not get fat. So we'll do healthy ice cream. One of the easiest way. So it will be banana ice cream today. So take a banana. Actually, it's like really ready. So you can make ice cream on a butter base, on a milk base, on double cream base, or without any milk products at all, on an eggs base, and so on. Or we will do it on fruits. And I'll explain you different kind of variety you can do, so you have an idea how to impress your family and so on. Alright. So basically, you can use quite a lot of different fruits, but in my opinion, banana is one of the easiest, and it's something you can find literally everywhere. So you can put it in a blender, or you can use another mixer depending what you have, yeah, or you can do it manually. Or actually hold the forks in the dishwasher. Okay, no problem. We can use a plastic one, or we can do it manually. We can smash it with a fork, so it's take a little bit of time, and we make it kind of pasta. So, well, basically it becomes something like that. And you will not believe it, that's it. So basically ice cream, everything is, I don't know, we can call frozen and sweet. So you can put a little bit of foil or anything else and put it in the fridge. I guess it will take maybe half an hour at least. What else? Yeah, we need a stick. I forgot about the sticks, whatever. You can use anything we have. Not the best one, but and wait until it will be frozen. Then you can do with that everything you want. You can suck it, lick it, and everything what your imagination can afford. Additionally, what else you can do? Okay, we'll put it in the fridge and wait. What else we can do? Let's say your diet have not enough good fat, so you can add a little bit of butter or maybe coconut oil, hopefully a good one. If you think it's not sweet enough, you can add a little bit of honey. If you need more protein, okay, whey powder it will be a good one. You can add a little bit of whey powder and mix it, or you can add a little bit of milk or double cream, whatever. So everything you can add, mix it up and freeze it, that's it. Maybe some nut powder, whatever. Any seeds, maybe a little bit of chocolate, or you can put in chocolate later on. So now you know a huge variety of different things, especially like healthy sweets you can do. And probably if you eat it, I don't think you will get fat, same like from donuts or any kind of products that are full of sugar. So let's check what we'll have later.